Hi everyone, my name is Heather and this is Sara, and we are both zoo teachers here at the Central Florida Zoo and Botanical Gardens, and we're coming back to you with another segment of the Zoo to You. So we have another activity that you guys can do at home with your family. So Sara, what are we doing today?
Today we're making rhino ears. Aren't they cute? Can you hear me?
You have the ears, Sara.
Oh, here we go.
So Sara, do rhinos have a good sense of hearing?
Rhinos have an excellent sense of hearing. They actually don't have very good eyesight, so their sense of hearing is really important to them.
That's awesome.
For this project, you'll need 2 toilet paper rolls, some tape, scissors, some gray yarn, but you can use any color you like, and some gray construction paper or any color you want to make your ears, so that you get some beautiful rhino ears. We're going to fold our construction paper into a square. Just like this. So, after you cut your square, we are going to cut that square into 2 triangles. So I'm going to cut this in half. And now we have our 2 triangles for our 2 paper rolls.
Okay, so now that we have that, what do we do next?
We're gonna take our triangle piece of construction paper and our toilet paper roll, and we're gonna wrap that construction paper around the toilet paper roll. So we're gonna take a piece of tape, and we're gonna ink our construction paper, and then I'm gonna start rolling our piece of construction paper around our toilet paper roll. All right, and then at the end, we are going to tape the ends to make sure it doesn't unwind. And that is the basic shape of our rhino ear.
This really looks like the shape of a rhino ear.
That's right. Rhino's ears are in the shape of a funnel, so they can direct the sound in, so they can hear really well.
Awesome. So what's next?
All right. So next, we're gonna take our gray yarn, and I'm gonna wrap it around 4 fingers, about 5 or 6 times, all the way around. And then we are going to cut the top and the bottom to make our rhino ear hairs. So now we have the hairs for our rhino ears. So take a few of the hairs and lay them on the table. Take a long piece of tape and then start laying some hairs on the tape. I like laying them individually so each hair sticks out. Now we have our hairs attached to our tape. So what you're going to do is you're going to stick that tape with the hair pieces inside of your rhino ear.
All the way down to the tube, right? Not on the paper?
Yep, that's right, all the way down to the tube, so that they have a nice anchor. And you're gonna continue that a few more times until your rhino ear is as hairy as you like it to be.
Once you're done with your ears, you can use them to listen and see how far away. Hey! Wow, that was really loud. Thanks for letting us bring the zoo to you for another activity. Stay tuned for more in the future.